What is up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Right now I am at the track. We're about to have 2 great days of drifting. E36 is ready to roll. Got the GoPro charged up. Let's go ahead and dive into a little bit of car footage. I'm gonna move my suction cup mount around a few times. I also have my head cam so you can see. Also, my buddy's gonna help me film so they can see. Who am I getting a phone call? Hey. So just got done doing probably did about 3 or 4 laps with that new angle kit. Oh my gosh, my whole life has changed. That thing is so sick. The main thing is that ratio quickened up so you can really flick it in and the back end will come out on you and you have so much more angle to catch yourself compared to stock. Tonight is gonna be so much fun under the lights. I'm gonna try to get a lot of good shots for you guys. I'm keeping it straight. Dang. We're good. So we wrapped up day one at OMC last night. Ended up camping out on the trailer once again. Now it is morning of day two. About to just go ahead to the gas station, fill up so I can go ahead and head out whenever I'm done, shred my last set of tires. Should be a fun day. Hopefully it's not as hot as yesterday because it was a little bit brutal yesterday, but definitely a great day for sure. Car's holding up pretty good. Still cutting out fuel at 5,500 RPM, which is a little bit annoying, but I have another fuel filter that I could replace, but I think I'm just gonna go ahead and drive it how it is today and then fix it another day. We're almost done with the second day drifting. Sorry I didn't have any in-car for you today. Had my buddy, actually that guy over there, has helped me out filming a little bit. Ended up debeating the front tire a little bit, not a big issue. Overall, car's doing fantastic. Unfortunately, like I said, it is still fuel cutting at 5,500 RPM. Got a little bit of tire left, not a ton. So I'm gonna go ahead and do a few laps. I'm gonna see how close I can get to the barriers as far as like kind of wall tapping them. Alright guys, just got back home, wrapped up the weekend. It was absolutely a blast. The angle was so sick. I love it so much. That's gonna do it for this one, guys. If you enjoyed the video, make sure you give it a thumbs up, subscribe. Thank you guys so much for watching again. Have a good one, guys.